Okay, what do you do when your Outerwears fan pre-cover starts falling off? Nothing wrong with the pre-cover. Man, this Velcro is shot. It doesn't stick anymore. It's garbage. First thing, take off the old Velcro. Use a little bit of alcohol. Rub down where the adhesive was. Make sure you get it all off. All the old adhesive needs to be off of there. Make sure it's good and clean. Wipe it down with a rag. Set it aside for a few minutes to dry. I prefer to have the seam on the back side. Just line it up with the outside edge. That way you have a nice fit to the fan shroud. Peel off the adhesive as I go so that I don't have sticky Velcro flopping all over the place and sticking everything. Right down to the end. Just as good as when the kit was new. Everything lines up right. Now I'll go ahead and get my fan shroud put back together. Stick it on the motor.